We're back with another episode of Minor Settlement. Game has been getting a little bit better and better, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, it's been getting better and better. Just keeps on freezing. Three little birds sat on my window. Alright, now we're in. This may be a short one. I don't know if I'm gonna go back and look at my last video. Right now, I have gotten to the goblin leader in a dungeon, and I just kind of been farming him so I could get something stronger for the next guy, because I'm trying to get this scheme here. Let me show you what I'm trying to get. I want this sword. Where that sword at? I think this is it. It's something Lord Sword or something. Yeah, let me just go down here. I know it's down here too. Sword of the Lost King. That's what I need. But I need 5 of these. Which 5 of those are going to be 10 daggers. Which really, I can afford that. Not going to lie. I can afford that. It's just going to take a little bit of grinding. So I need 10 daggers. No, I don't. Oh, yes, I do. I'm going to need 10 daggers. What's 6 times 5? 30 of the claws, which I have 30 of those. 5 gold balls, which I don't think I'm gonna have a problem getting all that. I'm gonna try to get all of this materials in this video, and then once I'm done doing all that, I'm gonna Betty bye, because I went ham today. Had my little second day of work. Went well, just like the first one. Just what I expected. It's payday, need to hurry up and come on. Which payday is a week from tomorrow. Oh, no, I went in here so I could get the chest. I had to wake up a little bit so I could get this out the way. Get it out the way. Let's see how many I have. I know I have some daggers already, so I don't actually need all of those materials I just said I needed. See, I have 3 daggers. Well, I do need a decent amount of material, so I want to do that, and I want the shield. Hold on. I'm going to just do because for the shield, you need that powder, that essence, and I haven't gotten any of that. Just relax. Just go let your head down. You're gonna find your way some way, somehow. Not to try any longer. Do what you want to, girl, put your records on. I could sing better than that. I just don't have the energy. I probably should not sing if I'm not going to sing for real, though. That song is just a beautiful song, and the weather is changing, and that's the perfect seasonal song. And I think I only need a few of these, just enough for that thing. But let's see how many of these daggers. If I need 5 of the swords, and each sword I have enough for all the daggers, so I need 7 more daggers. I have. Okay, so I just need to make 10 more to wood. Okay. I'm just gonna make 12. Why not? I have these big old ham hands. Okay, I need 7 daggers. Girl, put your record on. Tell me your favorite song. Just go ahead, let your head down. Just go ahead, let your hair down. Where am I going? Oh, I have some claws. Some claws in here that I want to go ahead and turn into some swords. You know this sword weak if it if it take rat claws. Yeah, this is this a weak sword. So I need 5 of these. So I'm gonna need 3. That's enough for 3. So I need 10 more of these bars. 10 more of these bars. Let's go. Oh, I don't have enough. Oh. Okay. Let's go buy some. Nope, wrong one. Let's go buy some more iron. Remind me to never sell any more iron ever again. We just gonna buy that much. Yeah, I need 10 more. 10 for that. And then I need to, because I'm trying to craft 5 of these, which I have 6 times 5. Yep. So that's enough right there. I don't have to do any more grinding, which I did a little bit grinding already. I did some grinding. Yep, I'm getting I'm transitioning away from DoorDash. Oh, okay, so they have different strengths. Okay. Oh, let me buy the scheme first. So I had run out of gems, but then I just kept doing the offers and I built them back up, I guess. But did what I want. Cause that's 130. This Elven Blade is 30 from 35 to 45. Man, get out of here. Get out of here. I kill so many things with one hit with this. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that one. K1 and 2. I haven't spent any money on this game. I'm probably gonna try to do this completely free to play. Because it seems possible. You just gotta grind what you're supposed to. You're supposed to be willing to grind. Okay. So I should have that ready now. Oh. So I'm almost ready. I just need some more jelly. Dang. Well, guess what? I'm not going to be able to get that much jelly in this video. So I'm going to go ahead on and attack these guys. Let me see. Is the caravan back? Yeah, it's back. I ain't had to go all the way over there to check that either. So I figured out where to spin these shards at too. After I defeat these, after I go all the way down here. That's a damn shame. I could run faster. Come on, you supposed to be making my money and I'm running faster than you. Come on, man. All right. I won't need as much health potions soon. I'm about to go all the way down to the what's the name? To the goblin leader, cause he dropped some delicious things. Not gonna lie. Let me put on that music. This music is not as good as the other one, but it's not bad. Oh, I got a free gob. I got a dagger. I wonder if I could sell this stuff. I may be able to sell it. Or break it, dismantle it. I don't know. See, I've gotten part of that scheme before. Uh-oh. I should have taken my potion. So I'm about to get yeeten. But it's alright, cause I'm gonna watch the video. Yeah. He gonna defeat me. Seems like that last 100 go down so quick. Let me see. 82, 55, 28. Oh, we got him. Definitely want to take that. I think I need that. Okay. So I'm gonna go to this chest real quick. Then I'm gonna come back and camp at these Jigga Jigga jellies. Dang, I didn't get any jellies. Come on, man. Okay, so this is where you spin the shards. You go to this airport. You can claim these for free. 30 minutes. This one can be ready in 2 hours. You can buy these for 100. I don't know why it went up. Legends of Eidolon. Okay, there's one jelly. Two jellies. You know what? I may be able to get all those jellies in this video. 3 jellies. 4 jellies. Just keep going up and down. 5 jellies. 6 jellies. I just need to do that one more time and I know I have enough. And they spawn fast too. I guess we could go down here too. Knock them out real quick. Don't want to go too crazy because from this round I'm going to use all those jellies on that scheme. Bandito. You know what? While I'm waiting on my jellies, I'm gonna check on my. Oh, please don't. Oh, he gonna beat my ass.
Nobody wants to mess with this dragon. Say hello to the king of the lizardmen, Ramontu Drakesblood. Ramontu's skill, Blood Wings, is what makes him truly remarkable. He attacks all enemies, removes all their buffs, and blocks all of their skills. Now, that's crazy. Imagine Lydia can't stop your revives and Tormund can't freeze your friends. Ramontu allows you to live the arena dream and would be such an awesome champion to add to your collection. So to make a long story short, you want this dragon. Enter this promo code and progress faster to get him.
And the jellies are back. Well, one of them are. Another rat about to spawn up there. Just gonna bounce between these three until I get enough gelatin. Oh yeah, I don't eat most gelatin because it's never mind. Priscilla. Yeah, I was thinking, is that game with those puzzles? I didn't like the puzzles. Puzzles for this game was cheesy. Yeah, yeah, I didn't like. I just didn't like that game that much. It's 40 shards. You don't like your relationship, then get out. Dr. Phil. Doctor, if you don't like your relationship, then get out. I forgot I was recording for a second. I'm weird. All day I be laughing at my own jokes. Like when me and my girl had our first fight, she told me I'm weird. And I just laughed because I know I'm weird. That's not gonna hurt my feelings. I already know I'm weird. Tell me something I don't know. And I don't try to hide that I'm weird, really. I just be apologizing. That sometimes my weirdness is too much. I ain't trying to be too much. But I definitely know I'm weird. So people be calling me weird. Like I'm finna be so hurt. I'm not. Maybe I'm just in a good mood. Ooh, I feel like I did something today. I did do something today, but I just feel like I feel accomplished today. And I'm about to go do it all over again tomorrow. Let's see. I'm okay. I don't know if I need 18 or I don't remember if I need 18 or 16. I could check my handy dandy. Handy dandy. I could check it real quick. Yep, we need 18. Let's see what I need for that shield. Do I want that shield? Or do I want a different shield? Look like this one. Iron shield scheme. See, they need this little thing, and the boss is not dropping that. The boss is not dropping this magic dust. Let's see the stats. The stats on this is 12 to 18. 6 to 10, 12 to 18. That's not that much of a jump. 12 to 18. 6 to 10. It's a little bit of a jump. Maybe I want to skip to the bone shield. That needs 5. Oh. Let's see. Ice flow to go. Yeah, maybe I want to do this. No, I don't want the Elven shield. Iron shield. Yeah, you need 2 iron shields for that. Oh boy. Definitely need. Okay, some more jellies about to spawn. Let's watch the video. Jellies. That's my 16th. I just need 2 more. I know it is. Because people don't want to dash on Sunday. I already made my money today. I only got one more of these. Nope, I need one more. I need one more. One more. I got 45 pieces of chicken. It's not chicken, that's rat meat. The fact that you make potions with rat meat. Come on, man. It does remind me of RuneScape because the giant rats are like the first monsters. Well, they're not the first. You fight giant rats early on in the game. And one more slime. Defeat one more slime. I am not giving him that magic. If I get magic dust, I'm not giving that to him. Because it's too rare of a drop for whatever this is. What is that? Yeah. I'm not giving him that. My recipe. Ready to craft my recipe. My recipe. Ready to craft my recipe. Six seconds remaining until my jelly.
How does a stingy man running in? Secondhand tables and chairs look fine to me. The higher the price, the more I can earn. Customers come for the food, not the beauty. I'll hire the butcher. We're open. Due to its poor service and high prices, the inn is closed down due to complaints.
Now it's time to craft my very powerful sword with 156 attack. Sword of the Lost King. Definitely a lost king. Very fitting. Sword of the Lost King. Oh, looks like the dagger. Yeah. Okay, let's see how long this around. Let's see what I look like. I have the raccoon unlocked, but I don't like raccoons. I had to shoot a raccoon one time, and the police came. They was like, well, I was looking for ammo, so I went to go buy some bullets for because I had shot the raccoon with regular bullets, and it was just sitting there chilling. Like, I shot it like 8 times with a 9mm pistol. So I went to the shop and was like, do y'all have something that's like for raccoon? Because this raccoon is still alive. I went and got the ammo and everything, and the raccoon was still alive when I came back. And I shot it with the hollow tip, and it was still alive, and it didn't die until like the middle of the night. I'm pretty sure the raccoon had rabies, because it wasn't like bleeding pool of blood. Like, it wasn't bleeding at all, really. So I'm like, something wrong with the raccoon if I'm shooting it like that and it's not bleeding. I shot the mouth, like his mouth was not the bottom of his jaw. I shot the bottom of the raccoon's jaw off, and he wasn't like, he was still chilling. Well, let's not get hit by this bandit. That raccoon was looking me right in my eye. don't like raccoons. Let's see how much. Ooh. I'll give it probably another one. Ooh, almost got hit. I need some more potion. Something here. A shield. Definitely need these slimes. I need some more. See, he hits slower. He hits harder, but he's slower. That makes sense because his daggers have wait, I don't know if that's good. If it takes 2 attacks, if I have to sit there and take 2 attacks per 1 attack, that's not that good. Maybe that's not as good. If I gotta take 2 attacks per one. But I don't know. Maybe the other sword is just as slow. But that rat definitely hit me twice before I hit it. Some potions, that's what I have to do. Oh, you need to. So yeah, that concludes this video. Accomplished a lot today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.